Okay, so today I found this air filter in my room. We barely use it. It's like to clean the air, clean out the air, make it fresher, and blow it back out. And I found it in my room, and I thought, this could be a good video, just a quick 2-minute video, and see what's inside of here, because you never know what's inside. So let's see if this thing can give me anything. There might be some motor. There's probably definitely a motor because something's pushing it out, the air out, and something's making it like, I don't know how. But there's definitely a filter. There's a filter in here because you can't refilter air without a filter. So there might be a filter in here, but I don't know about air filters. But this is about Holmes. Holmes or whatever you call it. We're gonna be opening this bad boy up. I don't think it's a bad boy because it's just so small. So we're just gonna see what's inside of it. Okay, so I got the screws out except for this one. This one's not budging now, but I got all the other ones. Let me see if this. This thing came out, so yeah, it's kind of like a pod filter, like a pod, microphone, like pod filter, those things that cover the microphone, pod filter. Oh, there's really nothing. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I think this is a filter right here. I don't know anything. Whoa! Oh, that's cool. Okay, I'm gonna get to that later, but okay. So this looks like the air filter that refreshes it. Let me smell. Yeah. It's been used, so it doesn't really smell that good, but it's a filter. It's an air filter, basically, yeah. These little tiny 4 screws real quick, and we'll be on our way to the motor. So I'm most likely breaking it right now, kind of, to get into the part. It's not letting me It's not even letting me let me pull this thing up. Stupid. I can't even get that thing. I can't get the screw out. It's so stupid, bruh. Oh, let's go. I got it. I'm gonna try to get this. Could do that to the other sides. To this side. It's already done, but I'll do it again. Okay, so I guess there's like another screw or something we don't even know about. Is there anything that we need to know about this thing? So apparently you have to get these tabs off. It's probably gonna work. So occasionally, I guess there's screws under the pads of it. Everybody hides stuff, which is so stupid. So I'm gonna have to get these pads off without wrecking my hand or fingers or whatever I just did. may probably do it again. Okay, so there's probably only just these 2 screws on these 2 these 2 like rubber things. Last time there was only just like 2, there was all the screws on them. So let's see. Let's just check if this one has it, because it might be like a 3. Okay. Alright. So now we could pull it out. Gosh. There we go. Finally. Alright, so this is cool right here. And that's probably like cleaning up thing. Alright, let me unscrew these real quick. Right side or left side, like reverse or going front or whatever. The cap came off. Let me get these screws off. Maybe it can help us. Yeah, it'll help us. It'll help us. Alright, okay. Well, that's cool. It's like a chip. Probably like the board that notices. It's probably the board that notices what, like, not command. Sorry. What, like, you know, like if you're turning it, the 2 or 3. It's a computer chip board, I think. It's pretty cool. See some springs right there. Keep it nice and straight. Probably don't want to touch it, but no capacitors or anything. But still, you never know what it could have. See some springs and everything. I'm gonna try to get. I'm trying to get right now these tiny screws, not the tiny screws. Get this thing off. Yeah, I just need to get these tiny screws off real quick. So far, this tear down, it's kind of cool. I haven't seen what's inside of an air filter yet. It's a motor that's spinning, so it's like yeah. Kind of what I said, it's like pushing it out, kind of spinning, pushing air out to the whatever thing. I don't know, but if you guys want to do these teardowns like I'm doing, and you're pretty sure you would not want to have the cable plugged in. It says do not open with cable plugged in, high voltage. I'm gonna go get some pliers and apply this bad boy. Alright, got zip ties. Alright, I got plier. I'm gonna plier. Came off. That came off. Okay, boom. Boom, 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 boom. You don't okay for you. I was like, if it's on the other side, like, oh my god. Okay, got this screw over here. Sorry if you guys are not seeing much. I know it's kind of boring. I'll just skip to the part. We got the good part. Good part right here. I don't know if I'm not sure if it's a motor actually. It doesn't look like one, but let's see. Because I haven't opened one of these yet. So okay. So I'm going to take apart this. These screws are just super small. Be easy to take off. Okay. It's going to be easy to take off, so I need to get this out. And so this is the motor, and then this little tiny knob turns it on, turns it on and off. These are just the computer board chip. That's the battery, I believe. Yeah, I think so. This is going there like that. Oh yeah, look at it. You know our fan fix video that I made a couple months ago, I think. I don't know how many months. I think like 2 months ago. Look at that. It's the same exact part that I think we made. Right there. Goes whoop. See? Whoop. Goes right there. Alright. I'm going to try to get a socket for that. And I should be able to get this thing apart. So it's pretty good though. Didn't know I didn't expect it was going to be, you know, this good for a little tiny air filter. So next time I do one of these videos, I should expect more about it. I'm just going to go get a socket real quick. And then, yeah, I'm going to go get a socket. And then I'm going to open it up. And let's see what's inside this motor. I don't have the right socket for it right now. So that's okay. But I'm just going to probably end it here. It's just the motor. Probably can't get it anywhere else. Yeah, you can't get it in it except for just get these screws off and that's it. So I'm just going to end it here. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And be independent.